Hello, I'm Sachiko Inoue, a Shiho-shoshi lawyer in Kobe, Japan. Shiho-shoshi lawyer handles inheritance matters. In the last couple videos, we have discussed about inheritance procedures when a Japanese spouse dies in Japan. On this video, we will talk about when a foreign spouse dies in Japan. Foreign nationals who are married to Japanese nationals and have lived in Japan for many years, and one day a foreign national spouse dies. Even he or she has lived in Japan for many years, the Japanese laws will not necessarily apply to the estate of the deceased foreign spouse. Depending on what country the foreign spouse is from, which country's law applies is different. In common law countries, such as UK and the States, the inheritance of real property is governed by where the property is located. Meaning, if the foreign spouse had a property in Japan, then Japanese law will apply for its inheritance. Other assets will be governed by the law of the country of the spouse's home country. If the spouse is from an EU country, the deceased's habitual residence will apply according to the EU succession regulations. Therefore, if the foreign spouse has spent many years in Japan, the Japanese law will likely to be applied for his or her inheritance. So, when a foreign spouse dies, his or her home country's inheritance laws will be necessary in order to figure out if Japanese law will apply in some of the inheritance. However, if the foreign spouse had lived in Japan all his or her life, having the surviving family members to research the laws of the foreign country could be burdensome. So, it always helps, especially for foreign nationals, to leave a will in order to proceed the inheritance procedures to go smoothly. We, as Kobe Legal Partners Shiho-shoshi Law Office, has handled many inheritance cases and has created wills for many foreign nationals in Japan. We are happy to help you with any inheritance procedures to support you and your family.